Hey guys, today's video is another eye makeup tutorial using gunmetal and green eyeshadows. It's a smoky eye, perfect for nude lips, and this is the final look. I'll be showing you the process that I have followed for creating this look. If you like the video and enjoy it, please do subscribe and leave your feedback. So let's get started. I use the Estee Lauder double wear foundation for any special occasion, and here I have done so as well. My technique of using the foundation is usually blending it by hand first and then smoothing it out further using a sponge. And I'll be doing my base makeup routine, after which I'll be doing the eyeshadow. I've used a concealer on my eyelid and under eye because those are my problem areas, and it helps the eyeshadow stick better as well. I'll be mattifying my look using the Fit Me Loose powder. You can skip this step if you like a more dewy finish. I'm more into matte finish looks. I'm using the Maybelline Brow Tattoo Gel for my eyebrows, and I've just let them sit off camera and then peel them off before I started shooting this again. I'm using the Nykaa Wonder Puff in the shade Burst My Bubbles for my cheeks as well as my lips. This is a very subtle coral shade and it's perfect for a very natural finish. I'll be tightlining my eyes first, and for my upper lash line I'll be using black kajal from Nykaa I Am Black, and next I'll be using the PAC Kohl in Coffee Brown for my lower lash line because I prefer my lower lash line to have less emphasis on it. I'll be using the Sivanna palette in shade 02 for my eyeshadow, but you can use almost any palette that has a gunmetal grey and a emerald green in it. I'll be using the gunmetal grey in the inner two-thirds of the eyelid, and followed by that I'll be using the emerald green in the outer one-third of the eyelid and blending them out properly. I'll be also using a deep taupe matte brown from the same palette to emphasize the outer crease of my eyes. And for a smoother transition and smokier look, I'll be blending all the colors out with a lighter taupe brown that is also in the same palette. Once my upper eyelid is done, I'll be smoking out the lower eyelid using only the green color from this palette. I find that highlighting the inner corner of the eyes gives a whole new dimension to this look, rather any kind of smoky and bold eye makeup look, and I'll be using a champagne gold color that is available in the same palette. I'm going to use the Nicka K Super Volume Mascara, which is, I'm not exactly very fond of it. It's average mascara, gives a normal average volume, but like I had it at hand, and you can use almost any mascara you love. This is the final look, and you can wear this without mask, with mask. The eye is the main focus. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next video.